All right, so we're here. I brought backup with me. We got Pete. We got Hamza for backup with the Will Motivation shirt on. You want to be the cameraman?
Gotta represent. Of course I want to be the cameraman.
All right, so this is getting ready to be sort of like the here you got me for moral support. All right, you got me for moral support. Thing about being an investor is you get good days and you get bad days, but you can't let the bad days discourage you. So this is a rental property. Let's walk up to the rental property right quick. But thing is, the people moved out, and I understand that it's a mess inside. I haven't been in there yet. We're gonna take a look at it. Potentially, it could be in good shape, or potentially it could be in bad shape. But when it's in bad shape, you know, you gotta handle your business. So let's go check it out. Yeah. So they somehow busted the window in the master bedroom. There's a bunch of flies in there.
Yeah, not a good sign. I'm gonna have to give me a mask before walking in here.
All right.
Golly. Oh my God, it stinks. Yo, I wish you guys could smell this. Atrocious. There was living in this?
It's hard to believe somebody was living here, yeah. This is like mental illness. You ask me, God.
Oh my God. I think they busted another window or something. There's glass right there.
This is mental illness, bro.
Oh. It stinks in here.
This is mental illness, bro.
Oh my God. This is disgusting.
I don't even want to go over upstairs.
This is a living room, keep in mind. This isn't even their... How did they do this to the...
Alright, here, let me talk to the camera. Alright, so, as you can see, they destroyed my house. This is not a joke. This is one of my first properties that I bought. Like the first 4 properties I bought with my realtor Rich. This is one of those first 4 properties I bought back in 2011, I think. My son is ready to go.
Oh my God.
I'm not even gonna, honestly, I don't even want to walk through the whole house yet. I want them to trash the house out first, and then I'll walk through after they trash it out. But this is gonna be a significant rehab. We're gonna have to first thing add all this trash out of the house, get all this carpet out of the house. I don't know how people live like this. This is sometimes you get people that rent your property got mental illness or something, because the only how you can live in this kind of rat. No, don't touch nothing.
Oh.
Don't touch anything. You gotta have mental illness to be staying in a house like this.
For real.
I gotta worry about mold. I see water damage on the ceiling. This is jacked up.
No.
Yeah, don't touch that.
Touch.
Don't touch nothing.
Touch.
Yeah, don't touch anything here. This is it.
You gotta be sick to live in a house like this.
This isn't the worst that I've seen though. This isn't the worst. This is the worst of my properties that I've rented out and somebody tore it up like this. But I've actually had a property that was that I bought it was worse than this. They have pets and the pets peed everywhere. Like this is mental illness. Like they totally destroyed my house. For somebody to rent a house from somebody and leave it like this is
disrespectful.
They're sick.
Mm-hmm.
So, like I said, I don't even want to go. I don't want to risk breathing something or whatever. I'm gonna trash this house out. I'm gonna have some cleanup crew come in, throw everything. Oh damn, there's meat on the ground. That's what that flies is coming through. That's crazy.
Oh, the lunch right there.
So I gotta have professional clean out crew, take all the stuff out, including the carpet, everything, take it out of the house, and then I gotta start a major rehab. They tore my house up. This is ridiculous, unbelievable. Unbelievable. But, you know, I don't feel like I deserve this kind of thing. When people do stuff like this, it comes back to them. I've never done nothing like this in my life. So I'll get it cleaned up and we'll be good. But I'll bring you guys back in here when it's trashed out. But right now, it's unbelievable.
We didn't even walk around the whole house.
How do they live in this?
They gotta be sick. Should I go a little deeper and show them the other part, or I don't. Yeah.
I gotta really trim everything.
Need new carpet. This carpet is done for.
Okay, YouTube, I'm back at Project F8 USA. So this is a real estate property that you guys like the real estate videos. So I haven't been doing a lot of them because I've been busy with my primary business, but I still have this stuff going on in the background. It's just not that interesting. However, this particular house was somewhat interesting for a bad reason. Had some tenants in there that tore up my property worse than any other time. So I'm going to show you what it looked like before. And before, it hasn't been rehabbed or anything yet. But we actually went in and ripped a bunch of the stuff out that was tore up. So, all right, so left some windows open for us. That's a good thing. I wonder why the grass isn't cut. All right.
Obviously sink here, refrigerator
Yeah.
here. I'm just all this mold stuff. I'm trying to figure out where this came from.
I can refer back to the pictures, but I know we had a stove. Oh, that's probably. Oh no, the dishwasher was over here. Dishwasher was over here. Yeah, I'm not sure. Trash. Busted window. Okay, so there you have it. It was way worse than that before. I couldn't even go upstairs before. Man. So I'm gonna go home and desanitize. Damn. Yeah, I'm gonna go home and desanitize. And I was just meeting with the claim adjuster, but this is the kind of stuff you gotta deal with as a property owner. And yeah, so this is the dirty work, man. So now I still gotta remove some stuff. Replace some drywall. I gotta disinfect it, put kills everywhere. Yeah, so you guys see I got a lot of work to do. But in case you care, you know, if you're like a property person and you're wondering what I would do, I'm gonna get all of the vents out of the house and replace with brand new vents. I'm gonna replace all of the light fixtures everywhere. I'm gonna go in and put kills down on all of the drywall and replace any of that drywall that had water damage, that may have mold in it. I'm gonna redo the bathrooms. I'm gonna take out all of that tile flooring. Yeah, I gotta replace trim. To be honest, it's not like, for me, I don't consider too major of it. This is kind of typical stuff that I've dealt with before. It's just that it's inconvenient, that's all. But some of you guys may think it's worse than it actually is. I've bought houses that have been in worse condition than this. This is like when I bought most of the houses that I bought. Not most of them, but probably half of them looked like that when I bought them. They had no carpet and I had to replace all the fixtures. So this is kind of like a standard flip thing for me, or standard prep for like rehab for a rental. So I'm more worried about like the fleas and stuff in there. I'm like itching and stuff. Have fleas trying to crawl on me. So I'm gonna go home and burn my clothes, take a shower, disinfect, and then get back to my real job.
Motivation.
That's right.
Welcome to Will Motivation. Holla.
Hey, I just wanted to say thanks for watching today's video. There's a lot more to come. Hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. A lot of you guys have been asking me about when is my online course going to be ready. Well, I have good news for you. My online course is completed. I'll put a link in the description of this video where you can click on that link and get a 40% discount off the course. That'll be for the first 50 students. So if you're ready to take the online course that I've basically laid out everything that I know about how to invest in real estate, click the link below or just go to www.willmotivation.com/invest. And thank you guys for taking the time out to watch today's video. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.